In today's video, we will be talking about Canva Magic Studio Overview. It's a new feature on Canva. As you can see here on our home screen right now, you will be able to see this new feature over here on the left side. As you can see, it has the tag new, meaning this is a new feature recently added to Canva. So let's go and check out an overview of this new feature. Now, this feature, as you can see here, has all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team right inside Canva. Scrolling down, you will be able to see the different features such as Magic Design for presentation, Magic Design for video. What Magic Designs is, you will be asked to enter a prompt and then it will produce you, or the AI of Canva will produce you a design based on the prompt that you have presented. You can also have Magic Write, as you can see here, as part of your feature. And these features that we are looking at right now, like the Magic Write, are all pro version. So you can see you have the Magic Write as the first one. You have Magic Switch, which will effortlessly change the size and format of your designs. So for example, you have created a design on a specific size and you want to change the sizing. Usually when you do that, your design will be messed up or all the elements will be all over the place. But through Magic Switch, you will be able to do it effortlessly and there will be no major changes that you need to fix after doing the switch. The next one is Magic Animate. The Magic Animate allows you to bring your design to life with motion. And the last one over here is the Magic Morph, wherein you will be able to transform your words and shape with a simple written prompt. So for example, as you can see here on the preview, you could change a very simple word text, which is wow, into something more fun with like a design over here that is 3D. Then you could also turn your ideas into images and videos with Magic Media, as you can see here, text to video and text to images. Your editing will be made effortlessly. As you can see, you could add your own style to elements, extend image beyond the frame, or restore missing details. You could rearrange or edit objects and even photos in your photos. Then you have your Magic Edit, Magic Grab, Magic Expand. These are the different features for editing. And scrolling down, you are also able to create images with DALL-E, Imagen, Mojo AI, and many more AI over here. And that's basically it. Those are the different features or the overview of our Magic Studio in Canva.